Today's video is sponsored by Truvani. Truvani has recipes that promotes healthy eating by incorporating protein into your diet. So if you want to cut back on eating meat, or if you're like me and you don't like to eat a big breakfast, try Truvani. Thank you, Truvani, for sponsoring this video. Okay, so I'm going to make this strawberry, is it matcha? Strawberry matcha smoothie. So this looks really appetizing. It says you need 1 scoop of Truvani matcha protein, 1.5 cups of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of coconut water, 1 cup of spinach, 3/4 cups of frozen strawberry, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. I didn't get any chia seeds because well, first of all, they didn't have any in the grocery store, my Walmart grocery store. And plus, I really don't like how the chia seeds taste. I've had them before, so I decided not to really even try to hunt for it. And then it also needs 1 tablespoon of vanilla yogurt of your choice, but I got strawberry yogurt because I really don't care much for vanilla. And then you just have to blend together and enjoy. So let's do this. I'm so excited. We're gonna give this a try. So this video is being sponsored by Truvani, and I'll show you the guide and everything. If you want to pause to read or rewind, however you want to do it, you know, check them out. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so these are the ingredients. We need the matcha protein, plant-based protein powder. We need frozen strawberries. I chopped them up and I recycled me one of those pico de gallo containers. I recycled it and I just chopped up some fresh strawberries and I froze them in the freezer. So we got these strawberries, and this is what they look like. I've had them in the freezer for a few days, but yeah, they're still good, don't worry. And then we have some strawberry. How y'all say strawberry? Strawberry, or y'all be country like me and be like strawberry? You know, your girl loves some strawberries. Donna Duke says you could be calling my children all the names. Yeah, all the names. But strawberry, yogurt, and coconut milk. The kids say I've had a taste of coconut milk before, but I really don't recall how it tastes. But we're gonna try it today. Coconut milk, and then I've never had coconut water, so we got a little coconut water.
Very good reviews on it.
Okay, 7 says great reviews, and I believe, well, you know. So first we gotta take 1 scoop of Truvani matcha protein. So we're gonna let y'all see what we doing. So give us just a moment.
One moment.
Uno momento. So we're gonna sit y'all right here. Look, y'all too close. Y'all been pressing in there. Okay.
Bro, back up, bro.
Let's see how y'all looking now. Okay. Alright, so first we got our glass, of course. And then we're gonna do 1 scoop of this matcha. Y'all, protein, I use protein, but different kind. And I don't know, the protein I use is kind of like gritty, like dirt. So yeah. All right, and then we're gonna do 1.5 cups of coconut milk. Okay. Okay, now we need a cup and a half of coconut milk. 70, you want to pour the coconut milk? Oh. So that's this. A cup and a half, so it's gonna stop right here. Let me get it. Ooh, that girl's strong. Okay, there we go.
Right here? Half in a cup?
A cup and a half is here. We're the 1 1/2. So pour
We're
it.
the 1 and the 4?
1 1/2 up here is 1 1/2 cups. Keep going. It might end up being this whole little jar right here. Keep going. You're almost there. Oh my god, you guys, the video got cut off because I have a little storage on my phone. This is absolutely annoying me. I already put the yogurt and the strawberries and spinach in there with the coconut milk and the coconut water. So now we're gonna go ahead and blend it. So this is how she looks. Okay, let's go ahead and give her a spin. Oh my goodness, it didn't record me pouring it, but this is it. Okay, so this is gonna be our moment of truth. So, cheers. Let's try it. It's not bad. It kind of tastes like, I have a taste of rice. Maybe that's the coconut milk or water. Let me see what the coconut water tastes like by itself. Yeah, it tastes like rice water. So maybe the coconut water that has that rice taste to it. But it's definitely not bad. It's pretty good. Cheers. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend. If you like this video, comment down below. Let me know what I should try next. And stay tuned because I got more videos coming back to back to back for y'all. I love you guys.